In this video, we're going to talk about 3D models, which are fancy 3D graphics that you can place in your Word document. We are also going to talk about implementing SmartArt. SmartArts are graphics that visually convey information. They are very customizable, color, number of graphics. You can even insert pictures into a SmartArt. I'm on the Insert tab. I'm going to look for the Illustrations group and the 3D Models button. There's a list arrow button, 3D Models, and there's a picture of a 3D model. I'm going to click on the list arrow. I have the option to choose this device if I've downloaded 3D models. If not, I can just go to Stock 3D Models. I can also get to Stock 3D Models by just clicking the picture over here. As you can see, there's several different categories. I'm going to go down and select Food and Drink. And now I'm going to go down and select this ice cream cone. I click on it and then choose Insert. Now, a 3D model has some of the same options you'd get in a picture or a shape. So there's drag handles, and there's also rotation control. But the real action is right here in the 3D controls. So what I'm going to do is click and hold down, and I can rotate this in any direction and any side of the ice cream cone. Now, in addition to that 3D control, we now have a 3D model tab on our ribbon. So I'm going to look for the size group and click on Pan and Zoom. Now, Pan and Zoom is used to control how it fits within the frame. So I now have this magnifying glass where I can click and drag and adjust the size of my ice cream cone within the frame. Now moving on to SmartArt. To get to SmartArt, I'm going to go to the Insert tab one more time and then click on SmartArt. Now, as you can see, there are several different categories to display information. If you want to take a closer look at a SmartArt, you can click on a category and then click on that SmartArt, and it'll show you a description on the right side. I'm going to choose this radial list. This SmartArt comes with a link to insert a picture, so I'm going to do that first by clicking on the picture icon, and I'm going to choose Online Pictures and type in the word dessert. There are two ways you can work with this. You can work with the text right in the graphic, or you can choose this text pane here. Now, the text pane can be pretty useful, especially if you have a more complicated SmartArt where the graphics might be overlapping with each other, because this text will just reflect what the graphics display. So I'm going to type in a couple things here, and you can see the graphic will be updated. Now, the text pane can be useful to manage your SmartArt. So if you're missing the text pane, there's actually a button on the left side of your SmartArt that you can click to bring it back. And if you look on SmartArt Design, there's also a Create Graphic group that has a text pane button. Now, there are a couple reasons you might want to use the text pane. You might have overlapping graphics that make it hard to adjust the text within the graphic. And you can also rearrange your items in the text pane quite easily. While holding down Shift and Alt, I can press the left or right arrow key to demote or promote an item. I can also use the up or down arrow key if I want to rearrange it. So as you can see, the graphics adjust nicely when you use the text pane in this capacity. Now we can also change the color and the style. So I'm going to change the color. And then I'm going to change the SmartArt style. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.